Thank you for attending our Flex workshop on Portfolium. We are excited to share what Portfolium is and how faculty, staff, and students can use it to showcase the work that students produce during their time at Mesa College and beyond. We are a new team here at Mesa, the Work-Based Learning Team. My name is Caitlin Choi, and I'm a Work-Based Learning Coordinator.
My name is Pavel Consora. I'm the Internship Coordinator.
And I'm Sean Fawcett, the other Work-Based Learning Coordinator.
Work-based learning is the integration of academic learning with the real world of work experiences. Students engage with employers through activities such as industry tours, service learning classes, and internships. Portfolium provides a great way for students to present intentionally how their employability skills are developed through their projects and work.
So what are some benefits of Portfolium for faculty? Students are able to display their own work and projects online, so learning done inside the classroom can become portable for students and reportable for faculty. The system integrates really easily with all LMS systems, both Blackboard and Canvas. So viewing student work, it makes a streamlined experience and also less work for faculty. This is not an additional program that you have to use. It integrates really nice. As students upload projects over time, faculty can view and track students' educational progress, which allows you to then focus on areas that students need additional improvement on. And most importantly, employers can search for students or alumni who have the skills and experiences their companies need, which allows you in the classroom to help students reflect on their growth and allow them to get noticed by companies.
National surveys have constantly found that businesses have difficulty finding employees with the right skills. Even among college graduates searching for work, employers have found them lacking employable skills, but they are not necessarily right. As we can see here in this slide, we have a 70% of students who employers are believing they don't have these skills. However, by using Portfolio, this could help them bridge this skills gap.
When we work with students on their resume, we often hear from them that they don't have professional work experience to write about. They typically don't realize that their class assignments and projects are a great way to highlight their employability skills. LinkedIn is a popular professional social networking site in which many employers are on there to scout for potential employees. Are you on LinkedIn, or maybe have been asked if you are on LinkedIn? The average age of a user on LinkedIn is 46 years old. Less than 13% of millennials actively use LinkedIn. Why? Because LinkedIn is not set up to highlight professional work experience, which our students typically do not have much of. Portfolium fills this need to translate the work that students produce for classes and extracurricular activities into work skills and competencies that employers look for when they hire.
Most students' resumes include a major, potentially a degree or certificate, their GPA, and maybe some work experience if they have it. But students are much more than just a grade, a GPA, or even just their resume. According to research done by the American Psychological Association, work samples are the prominent indicator of job performance, and employers agree. Portfolium allows students to display all types of work, projects, presentations, research, so students can show their proof of skills and a value that they offer to a potential company.
Even students at top universities like UC San Diego or CSU are struggling with articulating their value to employers. Help your students get noticed by their talent work. As in this example, a student attended an interview and because of GPA problem was not able to get in the first time. However, showing the portfolio, showing his work and all the skills acquired during the time in college helped the student to obtain a high pay position.
Portfolium is a free online portfolio for students to showcase their work with employers, faculty, and classmates. Portfolium helps students to see and reflect on how the work they have done so far applies to preparing for their dream careers.
As students participate in integrated, intentional, and progressive work-based learning activities as they move through the career development process, they are able to apply their learning to the world of work. Portfolium helps emphasize this concept for students to become job ready. They are able to chart an intentional career path, reflect and ensure their learning, measure competencies, and connect those transferable skills to a specific career path, and then most importantly, be discovered by employers for their talent.
So, what are the key components or features that Portfolio will offer to our students? First, they will be discovered for their work, the skills, the experience. Portfolium will allow them to upload any file type. It could be their work samples, papers, etc. Also, this is an awesome opportunity for them to connect, to do networking, and be discovered by their work. Enhance online branding and connect with all the tools they're using in and outside class. And the most important one is it will help a student to prompt reflection, show the creativity, and integrated learning.
Portfolium is 100% free for life to everyone. Students can keep adding to their profile after they transfer. In fact, UCSD and SDSU are currently using Portfolium. Students can show the Portfolium profile to employers at job fairs and interviews to gain extra edge and stand out. Portfolium integrates with Blackboard and Canvas. This allows faculty to link assignments to employability skills learned through course content. Faculty can create their own rubrics to assess student outcomes and do the grading all on Portfolium.
So how does Portfolium work? It's easy as 1, 2, 3. A student completes work or projects each semester in your classes, a variety of projects such as presentations, papers, research, etc. The student then uploads each project to be displayed in his or her portfolio. As they do so, the student writes a description, reflects on their learning, and is able to tag teammates or classmates, as well as the skills that they learned in that particular assignment. Employers are then able to search for specific students that match the skills that they're looking for, and they're able to then hire the students for their talent.
A student will have the freedom to upload their best work in a variety of formats. We can see in this sample, the students are taking different classes. So she decided to selected the most relevant one, and at the same time, the student is doing a reflection on the skills that she has been using in each of these different projects.
Over 50,000 employers are recruiting on Portfolium, such as Marriott, Oracle, and TriNet. Students can follow the employers on Portfolium to receive alerts on new job and internship opportunities. Employers can do a search on Portfolium for the skills they're looking for, and students and alumni with the matched skills will show up along with their work portfolio samples, as you can see.
So, what to include in a profile? When the students are creating the profile, they have to treat this as if creating a very professional resume. The first step will be to have a profile picture, has to be very professional, a professional tagline that where a student will have a chance to market his, hers, or themselves. Upload a resume, a brief introduction about themselves is very important. This part in here in particular, when a student attend a job interview, most of the time the first question that they've been asked is, tell me a little about yourself. So they are struggling with this part, and in Portfolio they will be able to create a 3-4 max sentences about themselves. And also they will be able to include their education, the school, major, some degrees, clubs, or general participation, and link their professional social media profiles to it.
Here are the different things that students can put in their portfolio: their presentations, writing samples, group projects, experiments, internship experience, any honors and awards that they have received, and part-time work experience.
Portfolium users can check out what their friends and faculty have posted, but they can also discover other innovative projects across disciplines.
Currently, students and faculty can create their individual account at sdmesa.portfolium.com. Portfolium will be available campus-wide for all faculty and students in their classes to use this coming spring. For faculty interested in using Portfolium now in their classes during fall 2018, they can contact us to receive help for setup.
Here's a list of some student and faculty portfolio examples, as well as assignments that a student can see on their end, as well as the creation through an LMS system from a faculty perspective. Check out our Work-Based Learning Flex workshop on examples from Portfolio in our future video, so you can see these examples more in detail and how to use the platform. Please contact the Work-Based Learning team if you have any questions or you're interested in integrating Portfolium within your curriculum today. Thank you so much.